Hello children, welcome to the second video of lesson number 3, that is Maratha Sardar, the famous house of Bhosles. Before that, we'll recapitulate what we have learned in previous video. As we have learned how sultans were disturbed due to the brave Maratha Sardars who started the tradition of bravery after the understanding that the importance of unity, and they got the courage to fight. And for this, the teaching of saints helped them out by showing them the path of devotion to the gods, and which bring in them a spirit of self-reliance. So, in next lesson, today we are going to learn the family tree of Bhosles and the work of Shahaji Raje. See, this is the family tree of Bhosles. Babaji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul. He having two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje is elder one and Vithoji Raje is younger. Maloji Raje, he having two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharif Ji. And Shivaji Maharaj is the son of Shahaji Raje. Let us see the family of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje having three wives, Jijabai, Tukabai and Narsabai. From Jijabai he have one son, that is, he have three sons, Shivaji, Ekoji and Sambhaji. Shivaji having wives Putlabai, Maharani Saibai and Soyrabai. Ekoji and Sambhaji Shahaji Bhosle. These two are the brothers of Shivaji. Then we'll see the children of Shivaji. Shivaji again having two sons, Sambhaji and Rajaram. And his daughters are Sakubai, Ambikabai, Ranubai, Deepabai, Kamlabai and Rajkumarbai. Sambhaji's son is Chhatrapati Shahu and Rajaram's son is Shivaji II. So, this is the family tree of Shivaji. His father Shahaji, his brother Ekoji and Sambhaji, and Shivaji's children, two sons, Sambhaji and Rajaram, and their sisters, Sakubai, Ambikabai, Ranubai, Deepabai, Kamlabai, Rajkumarbai. Sambhaji's wife Yasubai and their son Chhatrapati Shahu. Rajaram with his wife Jankibai, Tarabai, Rajasbai, and his son name is Shivaji. Again they keep Shivaji, so they have said as Shivaji II. So now we'll see the Bhosles of Verul line by line. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje and two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the right of a Patil in the Verul village. All these things we have seen in the Bhosle family tree. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. Here the meaning of enterprising is show initiative or respectful. They are respectful in their place. All people respect them. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. This Daulatabad is in Aurangabad. Malik Ambar was the Wazir of Chief Minister. Malik Ambar was able and wise. The two capable and brave brothers from the Verul soon caught his attention. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Malaji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. See, as we have seen in the family tree, Maloji Raje and Vithuji Raje both were the son of Babaji Raje. So these two were very brave and they have developed their own troops. They have many armed troops, Maratha troops under them. So as it was a period of great unrest for Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, the Mughal emperor from Delhi attacked on the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Because of that, this Nizam Shah was disturbed. That time Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah, and there Malik Ambar was a wazir, his chief minister. Whose chief minister? Nizam Shah's chief minister. And he was very able and wise in his work. When he saw these two brave brothers, when he come to know the bravery of these two brothers, he recommended his Sultan, that is Nizam Shah, to take them as in their service. So on his recommendation, the Shah given them, conferred them to whom? Maloji Raje, the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. So when they got the Jagir, the Bhosle become rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife, Umabai, she came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle of Indapur. See, this was a great loss for the Bhosle family because Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur, working for Nizam Shah. At that time, Shahji was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje, who was the younger brother of Maloji Raje, he looked after the children and the Jagir. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao, was well favored by the gods. Lakhoji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahji Raje and Jijabai. With great pomp, Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle's family. See, as we have seen, Maloji Raje died while in the battle of Indapur. That time Shahji Raje was only 5 years old. So Vithoji Raje, who was the younger brother of Maloji Raje, he take care of the Jagir and the children. When Shahji Raje grew, then he was asked for the marriage. And the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav, Jijabai. So, who was well favored by the gods? Who was well favored by the god means? She was blessed by the god. So, Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. See, Jijabai also belonged from the Sardar family. His father was also a Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. and he has a very large army of his own, and he earned great respect and honor in the Nizam Shah's court. So naturally, when the father was a Sardar, his daughter's marriage will be in a great pomp, with very great celebration was there. So Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle's family. She was the destiny of the Bhosle's family. Now we'll see what Shahaji Raje has done. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Mauloji Raje. So what Nizam Shah has done? When he was working for the Nizam Shah has transferred whatever he has given to his father on his name. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. He was also, as his father, he was also a very great and brave man, and he also earned a great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah. What he has done? He forwarded his hand. He patched up with the Adil Shah. He made friendship with Adil Shah to fight against Nizam Shah, who? Mughal emperor. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shah. No doubt, these two brave people fought bravely against Mughal and Adil Shah, because Adil Shah and Mughal, they have a tie-up among themselves, and they make one army to fight against Nizam Shah. But these two people save Nizam Shah, and as they fought bravely, they defeated both the armies. This battle took at the Bhatawadi near Ahmednagar, and in this Sharif Ji was killed. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. See, as Shahaji Raje started showing his bravery, and he was earning fame all over the Nizam Shah. Everyone was started appreciating him. Even Nizam Shah also giving preference to him as compared to Malik Ambar. So this sowed a seed of jealousy among them. And Adil Shah, in that, what Adil Shah has done? He honored children. Here, then when this jealous has developed among themselves between Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shah and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. As soon as he joined, Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar. Sar Lashkar means Chief of Army. This honor was given by Adil Shah to the Shahaji Raje. Later, there were so many developments in Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje left, and afterwards there were so many developments. What development? Malik Ambar died, and his son Fateh Ali Khan. Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shah. During his period, the Nizam Shah began to decline, because Fateh Khan was not determined, not focused. He was very cunning also. So Nizam Shah began to decline, At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. That time, Mughal was very powerful as compared to Nizam Shah and Nadir Shah. So, his threat was there after Adil Shah. Adil Shah understood that, Nizam Shah understood that he can again attack him if he found that he is going to be weak. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahji Raje to return Nizam Shahi, to come back to Nizam Shah and save it. Then again Shahji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. In this manner, the Shahji Raje, in his life there were so many turns, and at last he come back to Nizam Shah. So I think, children, hope you have understood the chapter very well. Thank you. God bless you.